What is crime journalism? Crime journalism is more than just reporting about crimes. It involves diving into the details of cases, exploring their social and legal implications, and presenting facts with accuracy. Journalists must strike a balance between informing the public and respecting the sensitivities of those involved. This field requires a deep understanding of both journalism and criminal justice. Techniques used in crime journalism. Crime journalists rely on various techniques to ensure the credibility and authenticity of their stories. The first step is gathering information from verified sources like police reports, court proceedings, and official statements. They also conduct interviews with victims, witnesses, and experts to gain first-hand insights. Investigative journalism often requires building a network of informants within the police force, legal community, or even criminal circles. The process of crime journalism. The process starts with identifying a crime case that holds public interest. Once a case is chosen, the journalist researches its background and gather all relevant facts. Visiting crime scenes can provide vital details about the setting and circumstances of the crime. In many cases, journalists collaborate with photographers and videographers to document evidence visually. Then they piece together the information to create a coherent narrative that explains the who, what, when, where, and why of the crime. Research and challenges. Research is the backbone of crime journalism. A journalist must stay updated on legal terminologies, crime trends, and social issues to provide well-rounded reports. They also analyze past cases to draw comparison and provide context. One of the biggest challenges in crime journalism is ensuring safety. Investigating high-profile or sensitive cases can put journalists at risk of legal action, backlash, or even physical harm. Additionally, verifying sources and avoiding misinformation are constant challenges in this field. Thank you.